Students, now let us discuss about the various life processes of animals. You all know that a tiger kills other animals and eats their flesh. Have a look at this tiger. It is chasing a deer. The tiger needs energy to chase the deer, doesn't it?
Deer too needs energy to run and escape the tiger.
Now look at this plant. It is a Venus flytrap. It traps flies to eat them. Venus flytrap also needs energy to trap the flies.
You all perform various activities in your daily life. You read, you write, you run, and you play. Sometimes you work as well. You need energy to perform all these activities.
All living things need energy to perform various activities. Now tell me where this energy comes from.
From the food.
Yes, living things obtain energy from the food they eat. A tiger, a deer, and you eat food to get energy. So, a tiger can chase a deer. A deer can run to escape the tiger.
And you can read, write, run, and play.
Sometimes you get a wound on your body. Now tell me, will the wound remain there forever?
No, it doesn't. After some days, the wound heals.
Have you ever wondered how the wound heals?
Your body takes the necessary substances from the food you eat. Then, it uses them for the growth and replacement of tissues in your wound. So, your wound heals.
So, the food you eat also helps in the maintenance of your body. All living things use the food they eat to get energy and for the maintenance of their bodies. The process of obtaining food and consuming it for the sake of energy is called nutrition. Now look here. The elephant is eating twigs of the trees.
An elephant cannot prepare its food by itself. So, it searches for its food to eat.
But a rose plant does not search for its food. A rose plant can prepare its food by itself.
An elephant cannot prepare its food. So, it searches for its food. A rose plant can prepare its food. So, it does not search for its food. It prepares its food by itself.
An elephant and a rose plant obtain their food in different ways. That is, an elephant and a rose plant have different modes of obtaining food. Based on the mode of obtaining food, we can divide nutrition into two different types: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. A mustard plant is a living thing. It needs food to live. But it does not eat food like a dog. It prepares its food itself. Do you know how it prepares its food? Well, let me tell you. A mustard plant needs various things to prepare its food. The mustard plant needs water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, and sunlight to prepare its food.
Various parts in the body of the mustard plant collect all these things to prepare food.
This is a leaf of a mustard plant. It contains tiny pores on it. These pores are known as stomata.
Stomata collect carbon dioxide from the air.
A mustard leaf contains green pigments. The green pigment is known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll makes a leaf green in color.
The chlorophyll in the mustard leaf traps the sunlight.
Now have a look at the mustard root. It has spread wide inside the soil. Do you know why that is?
In search of water.
Yes, the mustard root spreads wide inside the soil to collect water from the soil. The stem carries the water collected by the roots to the leaves.
Once the leaf gets water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight, it prepares its food.
The energy of the sunlight changes water and the carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. The glucose so formed is immediately changed into starch. Starch is nutrient of a mustard plant.
The starch remains in the leaf. But the oxygen so formed is the waste. So the oxygen is released into the air through the stomata. In this way, a mustard plant uses water, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll to prepare its food. All the green plants prepare their food by themselves in the same manner.
The process by which green plants prepare their food in their leaves is called photosynthesis. And you all know that during photosynthesis, water and carbon dioxide combine together in the presence of sunlight and the chlorophyll to form glucose and oxygen. Students, we have learnt that the food prepared by the green plants is immediately converted into starch, and starch remains in the leaf.
That is, the leaf stores the starch.
But there are many other parts like the roots, the flowers, the fruits, the seeds, and so on in a plant's body. These parts also need food. The vein in the leaf carries the starch from the leaves to the stem.
The stem, in turn, carries the starch to all the parts of a plant.
You all know that the food we eat contains chemical energy. And we use this energy to walk, read, and write. Our body also uses this energy to grow. The starch too contains chemical energy. A plant uses this energy to grow. It uses energy to produce flowers. It uses its energy to produce fruits and seeds as well. Sometimes you may get a wound on your body. After a certain time, the wound heals, doesn't it? Have you ever wondered how the wound heals?
Your body forms the new cells on your wound and your wound heals.
Like your body, the plant body too produces new cells to repair the damaged body part. To produce the new cells as well, a plant uses energy.
In this way, a plant converts light energy into chemical energy. All the green plants have ability to convert light energy into chemical energy.
As the green plants consume the food prepared by themselves, they are said to have autotrophic nutrition. Living things which have autotrophic nutrition are called autotrophs. So, all the green plants are autotrophs.